probability of an AND statement, here's what we're going to do. We are going to find out how many outcomes we have with and we're going to divide it by the total number. So if I take a look at example number 9, a card is selected from a standard deck of cards. What's the probability that card is queen and red? So if I think here, there are 4 queens in a deck of cards. We should know that. And 2 of them are red. So there are 2 red queens. If you didn't know there are 52 decks in a card, or 52 cards in a deck, I'm telling you that right now. That is something I expect you to know, that there are 52 cards in a deck. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to divide those out. I could write this as a fraction, 1 over 26. I could write that as a decimal, which is 0.038 rounded. Or I could write it as a percent, 3.8%. Any one of those is correct. And look at the situation of what you're being asked, and that'll tell you which one it should be. I would accept, if I didn't tell you, I would accept either one of those as answers. Now, union means both, either. So what happens is, for a union, I'm going to look at what's in set, what's in set A, or what's in set B. I'm including the and, but I'm including everything. Now, the way to find that, if we didn't know, is I'm going to add up everything in set A, everything in set B, and I'm going to overcount in there because sometimes there's 2 things that occur in both, and then I'll subtract that off. So what happens here, if we take a look at example 10, A is going to be a number less than 5. So A is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then B is the event of rolling a multiple of 2. So I'm going to go 2, 4, 6. Then I want to find A union B. So I'm going to write my set. I'm going to pick any number from either set, but I'm just not going to double count. So I start with 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I already got the 2 from the first set, so I don't have to recount, I don't have to rewrite that. I already got the 4 from set A, but I'm missing the 6, aren't I? So A union B would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Just don't double count. And that's all you got to do.